Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you about Vivo Y19 navigation gesture. If you're using Vivo Y19 phone and now you want to enable your navigation gesture or gesture navigation, so let's see how can you enable it. You just have to open your phone settings. So in settings just scroll down and you will get the system management option. Just tap on it and here you will get the system navigation. Select it and here you will easily get the gesture navigation. You just have to tap on it and it will be enabled. Now if you want to go back, you just have to pull it up to from edges. Just swipe it up just like this. And now if you want to go back to home screen, so here's the bar. You just have to pull it up and you'll go to your home screen. Now let's see how can you see your recent apps. Just press and pull it up and you'll get your recent apps. So that's how you can easily enable navigation gesture navigation in your Vivo Y19 phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.